सभी यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें। दुपट्टा कट करने से पहले घर में पूछ ले।
Hi all you lovely people, welcome to Dafty Dames. This is Durga and I really hope you guys have watched Shalmali's last old to new Ganpati decoration video, and if you have not, I think you should go and watch it because it's amazing. And here we are going to do a new decoration altogether from scratch. Okay, tension mat lo, we are going to get all the items either at your home or at the local stationery shop. So let's just get going.
First thing first, let's begin by coloring the paper with different colors to make our flowers and leaves. Yes, you have got me right. I am not using a craft paper, I am making one. Color it both side and फिर उसको सुखाने के लिए रख दो. Did you not believe me when I said decoration from scratch? Now that our paper is all dried up, we'll begin to make our roses. For that I have taken 4 square cuttings which I'll fold in triangle like this and repeat it for the remaining 3 as well. We'll cut the folded paper in the shape of a rose petal. I'm trying to mold our petals in the anticipated shape of the rose that eventually will come out of these cuttings. इन पेटल्स को और थोड़ा रियलिस्टिक बनाने के लिए हम इस रिफिल से उनके कॉर्नर्स को रोल करेंगे. Well, let's start with the actual rose now. For that, let's take the opposite petals and glue their alternate sides together. Repeat the same with other 2 opposite pairs as well. तो बच्चों, ये बन गया अपना रोज बड. Now I'm going to stick our rose bud in the center of the other cutting and start gluing one side of our petals over its neighboring petal. We'll repeat this process with other 2 cuttings as well. Voila! Our roses are ready. Roses are red, violets are blue. How beautiful they look? You have no clue. Let's go on to make the leaves now. I'm just gonna fold our green paper into 1 fold strips and cut them in a shape of a half leaf. To make the trail, I'm gonna use this thin metal tar and a green sellotape. But if you don't have it, any wire or cord will also work perfectly. All we need to do is attach these leaves to the tar with the help of a sellotape.
So our flowers and leaves are ready. All we need now is to make a hanging backdrop for Ganpati Murti. For that I have taken a stick like this and tied it with a simple jute knot. I've also secured it with a hot glue gun on both sides so that it doesn't slip out of the stick. I've taken a long thread because then I can adjust it as per my requirement. For the hanging, we are using a thick woolen thread like this. If you don't get something like this, you can go for a ribbon or a satin cloth or so. I'm also going to use a dupatta. I'll tell you why.
I'm gonna hang all the threads on the stick first with a lark knot. I took सभी यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें, दुपट्टा कट करने से पहले घर में पूछ ले. Well, I took a dupatta mostly because I wanted to enjoy the tearing part of it, and also because I think it will add to the volume of the backdrop. So I have decided to play around and do some freestyle knotting and braiding because I think it will give a very floaty vibe to it, but it's completely optional. You can leave it hanging as it is. That will also look simple and pretty. वैसे anything handmade looks pretty. I prefer knotting because I really enjoy doing them. Well, it's time to get it all together. I'm attaching the trail to the stick with the same metal tar. Of course, it will also be easily tied with a simple thread. And then I'll stick our fresh roses with a hot glue gun.
So this is it. Finally, the backdrop for Ganpati Bappa is ready and I think it is looking gorgeous. The only thing awaiting is Ganpati Bappa's arrival and I can't wait to see it all together. We are going to post the photos on Instagram, and if you don't follow us on Instagram, go follow Dafty Dames on Instagram. And if you like this video, please like, and if you love us, please subscribe and share your thoughts in comments. Ganpati Bappa Moria!